Alright, I'm going to make attempts to install my heater box and the cables and stuff. It's all cleaned up, ready to go, and trying to see if I can fight it in. Now the cover is on, so I'll have to see if I can squeeze these two tubes in there and also get these nuts in. I did a test before I put everything together. So I know it's possible, but let's see if I can do it in the same manner. So here I go. So I got through, and then I got one bolt lined up here, so I got a little nut on that one, and this one's lined up here. The problem is this one here and that one there. So the bolts coming out of the box are just slightly bent. So we got to figure out how to get in there and bend those bolts because they're permanently attached to that box. So I'm gonna keep working on it. Okay, so I got some temporary bolts on there just for now, so I can snug up nice and tight, and then I'll put the original ones back on. Had a little trouble fighting the inside a little bit, so when it's done, a couple things. Yeah, make sure you line up your plug, and there's also a bolt that goes through right here. Okay, so you have your plug here, and then there's a bolt that goes through here and then through the hole in the firewall. So that you just got to make sure that really just had in there, it lines up. Get your box lined up. Okay, and then you've got the cables back here. Okay, so when you put it in, make sure that those are not in the way of anything when you put it in, because I put it in, those cables got pinched, and I was trying to tighten it down, and then these cables were in the way, and hopefully the cable should be fine. I moved them all; they look good. And then here, switch. If I can get to it, right here. Right there, so that can hit, that's your on and off. Okay, see how it hits the vent duct? So I've got to fix that. I don't know what's going on or why it's doing it, so figure out what's going on. Alright, so just a little quick tutorial here. So I'm putting the original nuts back on with some caulking behind it and get that sealed up. So I'll do the rest, and then on the inside, after I tightened it up, inside, this over here and here, tightened up a little bit. So everything moves freely now. All the other levers work good. So box is in. Worked up pretty good. A little bit of a pain in the butt to finish up. But everything all tucked in. Barbell's in. Box is in. And And so moving on now, I'm gonna get the controls and mount the controls in a little bit and put them in place. Not mount them, but that's it.